How to invest in real estate with $10,000 in 2023. Hello and welcome to our video on how to invest in real estate with just $10,000 in 2023. Real estate is a great way to build wealth and generate passive income, but many people think that they need a lot of money to get started. In this video, we'll show you how you can invest in real estate with just $10,000. So, you have $10,000 and you want to invest in real estate. The first thing you need to do is decide what type of real estate investment you want to make. There are several options, such as buying a rental property, investing in a real estate investment trust, REIT, or investing in a real estate crowdfunding platform. Let's start with buying a rental property. This can be a great option if you're willing to take on the responsibilities of being a landlord. You can use your $10,000 as a down payment on a property and then finance the rest with a mortgage. However, keep in mind that owning a rental property requires time, effort, and money to maintain and manage the property. Another option is investing in a real estate investment trust, or REIT. A REIT is a company that owns and operates income-producing real estate, such as apartment buildings, office buildings, and shopping centers. When you invest in a REIT, you're essentially buying a share of the company. REITs are a great option for investors who want to own real estate without the responsibilities of being a landlord. Finally, you can also invest in real estate through a crowdfunding platform. Real estate crowdfunding platforms allow investors to pool their money together to invest in real estate projects. This can be a great option if you want to invest in real estate but don't have the time or expertise to manage a rental property or invest in a REIT. So, now that you know your options, how do you actually invest your $10,000? Here are some steps to get started. Step 1. Research your options. Look into different rental properties, REITs, and real estate crowdfunding platforms to determine which one is right for you. Step 2. Calculate your expected return on investment. Each investment option has its own risks and rewards, so make sure you do your due diligence and understand what kind of return you can expect. Step 3. Determine your investment strategy. Are you looking for a long-term investment or a short-term one? Do you want to focus on cash flow or capital appreciation? Step 4. Set up your investment account. Depending on your investment option, you may need to set up an account with a brokerage or crowdfunding platform. Step 5. Invest your money. Once you've done your research and determined your investment strategy, it's time to invest your $10,000. Remember, investing in real estate requires careful consideration and research. Make sure you understand the risks involved and have a solid investment plan before putting your money into any investment option. And that's it. With just $10,000, you can invest in real estate and start building wealth and generating passive income. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.
10 ways to invest in real estate with no money. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we talk about all things real estate. In today's video, we're going to discuss 10 ways you can invest in real estate with no money. Yes, you heard that right, no money. Investing in real estate can seem daunting, especially if you don't have a lot of cash on hand. But there are several ways to get into real estate investing with no money down. So, let's dive in. Number 1. Wholesaling. One of the most common ways to invest in real estate with no money is wholesaling. Wholesaling is when you find a property that is below market value and then sell it to an investor for a profit. You don't need any money to get started with wholesaling, but you do need to have good negotiation skills and knowledge of the market. Number 2. House hacking. House hacking is when you buy a property and rent out part of it to cover your mortgage payments. This is a great way to invest in real estate with no money down because you can use the rental income to pay for the property. Number 3. Rent to own. Another way to invest in real estate with no money down is to use a rent-to-own agreement. This is where the tenant pays rent and a portion of that rent goes towards the down payment of the property. Number 4. Seller financing. Seller financing is when the seller agrees to finance the purchase of the property. This means that you don't need to go to a bank for a loan, and you can negotiate the terms with the seller. Number 5. Lease option. A lease option is when the owner of a property agrees to lease the property to you for a set amount of time with the option to buy the property at the end of the lease term. Number 6. Subject to. Subject to is when you take over the existing mortgage payments of the owner. This means that you don't need to get a new loan or come up with a down payment. Number 7. Partnering. Partnering with someone who has money to invest in real estate is another way to invest in real estate with no money down. You can bring your knowledge and expertise to the partnership, and your partner can bring the funding. Number 8. Crowdfunding. Crowdfunding is when a group of people pool their money together to invest in a property. This is a great way to invest in real estate with no money down because you can invest a small amount and still get a share of the profits. Number 9. Hard money lenders. Hard money lenders are private lenders who lend money to real estate investors. While you do need to pay interest on the loan, you can use the money to invest in real estate with no money down. Number 10. Real estate investment trusts, REITs. Finally, you can invest in real estate investment trusts, REITs. REITs are companies that own and operate income-producing real estate. By investing in a REIT, you can invest in real estate without owning the property directly. So, there you have it. 10 ways to invest in real estate with no money down. Remember, real estate investing can be risky, so always do your due diligence and research before investing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more real estate content.
Why real estate is the best investment. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing why real estate is the best investment you can make. With so many investment options out there, it can be challenging to choose the right one for your financial goals. However, we believe that real estate should be at the top of your list. So, let's get started. 1. Tangible asset. One of the most significant advantages of investing in real estate is that it's a tangible asset. Unlike stocks or bonds, you can see, touch, and feel a property. This makes it easier to understand its value and appreciate its worth. It also means that you have more control over your investment, as you can make improvements to the property to increase its value. Additionally, you can use the property for personal use, such as a vacation home, which is not possible with other investments. 2. Potential for rental income. Real estate can provide a steady source of income in the form of rental income. Owning a rental property allows you to generate income without having to sell the property. This income can be used to pay off your mortgage or cover your expenses. Additionally, as the value of the property increases over time, so too does the amount of rental income you can charge. 3. Long-term appreciation. Real estate has historically appreciated in value over time, which makes it a good long-term investment. While there may be fluctuations in the short term, real estate tends to appreciate steadily over the years. This means that if you hold onto a property for an extended period, you are likely to see a significant return on your investment. 4. Tax benefits. Real estate provides a range of tax benefits that can help you save money. For example, you can deduct mortgage interest, property taxes, and depreciation on your taxes. Additionally, you can use a 1031 exchange to defer paying capital gains taxes when you sell one property and reinvest the proceeds into another property. 5. Inflation hedge. Real estate can act as a hedge against inflation. As the cost of goods and services increases over time, so too does the value of real estate. This means that the rental income and the value of the property increase as well, helping you to maintain your purchasing power. 6. Diversification. Real estate provides diversification for your investment portfolio. Having a mix of assets, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, can help spread your risk and reduce your exposure to market fluctuations. Real estate is also less volatile than other investments, which can provide stability to your portfolio. 7. Leverage. Real estate is one of the few investments that you can purchase with leverage. This means that you can use other people's money, i.e., a mortgage, to buy a property. This can help you get into the real estate market with less cash up front, which can be a significant advantage for many investors. So, there you have it. These are just some of the reasons why real estate is the best investment you can make. From its tangibility to its potential for rental income and long-term appreciation, real estate provides a range of benefits that other investments can't match. If you're looking for a way to build wealth and secure your financial future, real estate should be at the top of your list. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Real estate investing versus the stock market. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be discussing the age-old question of real estate investing versus the stock market. Both are popular investment choices, but which one is better? Let's find out. Real estate investing has been around for centuries, and it has always been considered a safe investment option. Real estate investments involve purchasing properties, such as houses, apartments, commercial buildings, and land, and renting them out or selling them for a profit. Real estate investments can provide steady income through rental income and appreciation in property value over time. On the other hand, the stock market is an investment option where investors buy and sell shares of publicly traded companies. The value of the shares can fluctuate, and investors can make money through dividends and capital gains. The stock market can be more volatile than real estate, but it can also provide higher returns. Let's compare the two investment options in terms of their advantages and disadvantages. Advantages of real estate investing. 1. Real estate is a tangible asset that can provide a sense of security. 2. Rental income from real estate can provide a steady stream of passive income. 3. Real estate investments can appreciate in value over time. Disadvantages of real estate investing. 1. Real estate can require a significant amount of upfront capital and ongoing expenses, such as property taxes, maintenance costs, and insurance. 2. Real estate investments can be illiquid, meaning it can be challenging to sell them quickly. 3. Real estate investments can be subject to market conditions, such as economic downturns and changes in interest rates. Advantages of stock market investing. 1. The stock market can provide higher returns than real estate over the long term. 2. Stocks can be more liquid than real estate, meaning they can be sold quickly if needed. 3. It is possible to diversify a stock portfolio by investing in different industries and companies. Disadvantages of stock market investing. 1. The stock market can be more volatile than real estate and subject to sudden drops in value. 2. Investing in individual stocks requires a significant amount of research and knowledge of the stock market. 3. Stock market investments can be subject to market conditions, such as economic downturns and changes in interest rates. So, which one is better, real estate or the stock market? The answer is that it depends on your personal goals, risk tolerance, and investment strategy. Both real estate and the stock market can be profitable investment options, but they each come with their own advantages and disadvantages. It's essential to do your research, assess your goals and risk tolerance, and create an investment strategy that works for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.